Today we're taking a look at the A14 Dashcam. You get your power adapter, power supply cable, which plugs in your 12 volt. When it's plugged in, it will be lit up red. Get all your tools and accessories for mounting, of course your manual. This is the cam itself. You have your display on here. Your TF card is going to go in here. Power supply in the USB port. In our box, there was no TF card, so I do not believe a TF card comes in. I recommend a 64 gigabyte TF card, micro TF card. Double-sided tape for mounting. Your camera lens, make sure you remove all the plastic pieces from your lens when you're mounting. So this is going to mount on your dash, kind of something like this. You're going to be able to rotate your camera lens, so you can move that around, position it how you want. This is how it's going to look once you have it plugged in. You're going to be able to pick up your Wi-Fi and all that fun stuff.
Is on. A place that I can. I can tell that you don't know me anymore. This road is anything but sure. Maybe we'll forget.